Hallelujah.
And all of a sudden, the guy came to himself and said, I will return unto my father, for in my father's house are many servants, and each one of them is able to have enough, even to their satisfaction. I will return because my God is able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all we could ask of or think of. I will return because the Lord will be my shepherd, and I shall not want. He will lead me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yet though I walk through the valleys of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil. I will return because the Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? I will return because God is able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all we could ask and even think of. Made the Messiah mechi abba mejanchen, or say, in my father's house are many mansions. If not so, I wouldn't have told you that I'm going to prepare a place for you, and when I am done, I will come for you. And unti asante fonhuma etie duananchi chemudumi no, or say kuntunyani anechia neko. I demand from someone listening to me that no matter where you have reached in life and no matter the things you have done before, return unto the Lord, according to Hosea chapter number 6. Or say, let us return unto the Lord, for he has bruised us, yet will he heal us. Say, yes, sign a bankwadia, obeje yen, obesaw yen yarewa, obeyi amani efri yen so. Enti David share me crash radina me mu ade enhira ne din konkro, me crash radia ma remfri ne nepa efri she ono ana odo mfom so achawo no wasaw yarewa enyina. We have a Father that is ever ready to receive us, no matter the sins we did and no matter the things we went through. He is ready and he is ever ready to receive us. I want to tell someone, return, and your
Hallelujah.
life